What's up, YouTube? Guys, thanks for tuning in. During this video, we will have a breakdown of the collaboration with our Honda Type R watch, our commercial for Honda, and also details on how and why we did the collab, so stay tuned.
Yo, Mark, Type R watches are here.
Okay, so before we break down the watch details, let's check out the box. Right away, you see this huge red foil Honda emblem. Feels very smooth, nice quality. Then you turn it over, you see the part number AM236TR, which stands for Type R. Okay, so removing the sleeve, right away you see this really nice Civic Type R in foil embossed. Feels really smooth. The back of the box has the Honda official licensed product disclaimer. Another detail I love on the box is the magnet feature. Open it, and right when you close it, it snaps in. Upon opening the box, you see the Civic Type R in foil on the insert, as well as a Honda quote. After removing the insert, you see the instruction manual on how to set your Type R watch. Just pull this out on the back, it does show you. Now let's get into the details of this watch. The first thing you notice is this brushed all black stainless steel case. 6 hexagon bolts. The case is NASA grade 316 stainless steel. Also has Meister engraved on the side. M logo on the crown. So this is our version 2 of the Type R watch. We have removed the Civic text from the dial face. Another great feature is the real carbon fiber on the dial face. We have matched some of the details from the card to the watch. Also, the red accents, the Type R and the Honda logo, as well as the red second hand. The watch features a Japanese 6-hand chronograph movement. It has a 24-hour clock, timer, and date window. The watch features genuine leather with red stitching that matches the Type R interior. This watch also features interchangeable straps. By pushing down this latch, you can remove it and change it to a different band. So on the back, you see the Honda logo, the Civic Type R limited edition. All watches are individually numbered, as well as all watches are water resistant to 100 meter. Okay guys, that wraps up the details of this watch. We also have a silver one. Make sure you check that out. There is a video up there. If you have any questions or concerns, leave comments. We answer them daily. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for some detailed shots of this watch on wrist and of the lifestyles.
Murder in the beat.